Have you ever noticed that your car feels a little bit more sluggish when you are driving through high mountain passes compared to when you are cruising at sea level? This isn't just your imagination. It is the direct result of atmospheric pressure affecting your engine's performance. Atmospheric pressure is simply the weight of the air in the atmosphere pressing down on everything, and it changes depending on your altitude and the local weather. At sea level, that pressure is usually measured at 76 centimeters of mercury. But as you climb higher into the mountains, the air becomes thinner and the pressure drops. Because internal combustion engines are essentially big air pumps, they rely on this pressure to push fresh oxygen into the cylinders. When the air is thick and the pressure is high, your engine can breathe easily, allowing it to burn more fuel and produce more horsepower. However, in low-pressure environments or high altitudes, the engine struggles to get enough oxygen, which leads to a noticeable drop in power and a change in your fuel efficiency. This is the exact reason why turbochargers and superchargers were invented. They use mechanical force to mimic high atmospheric pressure, stuffing more air into the engine regardless of how high up you are. For a naturally aspirated car, the atmospheric conditions of the day can be the difference between a snappy, responsive drive and one that feels like the car is gasping for air. Engineers design vehicles to operate best at specific pressure levels. So if you live in a high-altitude city like Denver, your car might actually need a different computer tune or a different grade of fuel to perform the way the manufacturer intended. Understanding the air around you is the key to understanding why your car behaves differently from one day to the next.